The Jungle Book. Long, long ago, a human baby was left in the jungle in a basket. Raksha, the mother wolf, saw him. She took him to her den. She called him Mowgli. Mowgli grew up with a family of wolves. Baloo the bear and Bagheera the panther became his friends. They taught him the ways of the jungle. He ran, hunted, and climbed up trees like them. Baloo told Mowgli about jungle laws and to beware of the naughty monkeys. Bagheera and Baloo also warned him of Sher Khan, the wicked tiger. One day, some monkeys saw Mowgli alone and kidnapped him. They took him to the monkey city. Mowgli saw Chil, the large eagle, and told her to inform Bagheera and Baloo. Baloo came to rescue Mowgli, but the monkeys were not afraid of him. Then, Kaa, the serpent, came to help Baloo. The monkeys ran away and Mowgli was saved. One day, Sher Khan discovered where Mowgli was. The tiger had been injured by fire when he attacked Mowgli's parents. Since then, he had been searching for him. The next day, Sher Khan saw Mowgli playing with Baloo. He was about to attack Mowgli when Baloo came forward and punched the tiger. In the meantime, Bagheera took Mowgli away. Now, Mowgli wanted to save Baloo. He took a stick, rubbed 2 stones, and lit a fire. He hit Sher Khan with the burning stick. Afraid, the tiger ran away. All the animals celebrated Mowgli's victory. Bagheera, Baloo, Kaa, and the wolf cubs went along with Mowgli to the river. They splashed and played in the river. One day, while walking along the river bank, Baloo and Mowgli saw a little girl. She had come there to fill a pitcher. She was the first human Mowgli ever saw. Mowgli was curious to follow the girl and know about her. Bagheera knew that Mowgli would never return if he went to the village. Still, he let Mowgli go. Mowgli followed the girl and reached the village. The villagers looked at the strange boy and asked him to stop. A woman came forward and hugged Mowgli, crying, "My Nathu!" Mowgli was puzzled. The woman was his mother. Long, long ago, when they were passing through the jungle, they were attacked by Sher Khan. Little Nathu, who was in the basket, was left behind. Mowgli now understood why he was different from the other animals. He hugged his mother. He decided to go back to the jungle one more time to say goodbye to his friends. When he returned, Bagheera and Baloo were sad. Mowgli hugged Raksha, Bagheera, and Baloo. They asked him to come back sometimes and play with them. Mowgli waved goodbye. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.